pattern drafting, tailoring, and everything fashion. And I want to take this opportunity to appreciate all my subscribers. I appreciate you. I thank you for supporting my channel. So guys, today we'll be making a shirt collar. We'll be drafting the pattern of this shirt collar, and we'll be coupling the shirt collar, and we'll also be fixing this shirt collar. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So without wasting much of the time, let's get right into the tutorial. To have a slant effect, then I'll connect back that 1 inch back to that half inch that I went in. Then from that point I'll connect it to the 2 inches that I have already gone upward at the other side of my collar. That's at the center of my collar, and then my 2-piece collar is ready. So at this point you can decide if you want your collar to be a 1-piece or 2 pieces. If you want your collar to be just a 1-piece, then you can just cut it out like this, and then add your seam allowance all round and place it on your fabric. But for this tutorial we're making a 2-pieces collar, 2-piece, so we're going to separate both collars and add seam allowances on both of them separately before we place on our fabric. So guys, I've successfully removed my collar, so I want to disconnect the collar into two. That's separate my bishop collar and my main collar. So I've done this successfully. So I'll be placing it on my fabric, and I'll be adding my seam allowance. So for the I'll be adding quarter of an inch or 0.25 at the up side, at this side 0.25, 0.25. But for the down part I'll be adding 0.5 inch, that's half inch. And same goes to this part as well. I'll be adding 0.25. I'll be adding 0.25 here. I'll be cutting on full, but for this down part I'll be adding half an inch, that's 0.5. So guys, I'll be folding my fabric on fold like so, and then after folding, putting my fabric on fold like so, because I need 2 pieces of this part of my collar, I'll fold it one more time like so. Can you see that? I hope you understand. Then I'm placing my fabric at the edge of it and I'm pinning it down all round. And after doing that, guys, I'll be adding my seam allowance. Remember the agreed seam allowance we talked about at the beginning? At the top of this collar is 0.25 or 1/4 of an inch. At the side of this collar is also 0.25 or 1/4 of an inch. But below the collar, that is the down part of the collar, is half an inch. And so I'll be using my ruler to connect all of this, and then I'll go ahead and quickly cut this out. After cutting this out, guys, I'll take out my pins and you'll see that I have 2 pieces of this collar. So after that, guys, I'll be folding my fabric once more, just the way I folded it the first time. That's, I'll fold it once, then fold it one more time into 2 again, and then I'll place my bishop collar on it and pin it down. And then I'll be adding my allowance like so. At the down part of my collar I'll be adding half an inch, but at the top part of my collar, the part which is connected to the main collar, I'll be adding 1/4 of an inch. At the side also I'll be adding 1/4 of an inch. I'll be using my ruler to connect all these lines, and then I'll go ahead and cut out with my scissors, guys. And just like the main collar, I'll also be having 2 pieces of my bishop collar like so. So the next thing I'll go ahead and do is to iron my interface. You can choose a lightweight interface, or you can even choose a collar stay. But for your collar stay, just make sure you add 1 layer of collar stay to just one side of your collar so that it doesn't get too thick for you. Stay tuned to the end. So guys, I'm pinning my main collar right side facing right side. I'll make sure they align very well, and then I would start from the side of my collar and start to sew gently, and I'll sew it all the way from the side. Then I will sew the top of my collar and then all the way to the other side, but the down part of my collar will still be open because I'll be inserting it in the bishop collar. After that, guys, I'll take out the pins and I'll notch my collar, that's the seam, to avoid points, to take out the excess fabric there. So I'll use my pencil to tuck out so that that place would point out very well, just like a normal collar. And I'll gently notch carefully at the seam so that it will relax very well. And after that, I'll bring it out and I'll take it to my iron so that I can give it a good press. So guys, I'll place my main collar in between my bishop collar like so. Can you see what I'm doing? And I'll pin it gently all the way from the side like so. Can you see how I'm pinning it all the way from the side? Then I would start from the side like so, and I'll start to sew like so, gently, don't rush. I'll start to sew like so, and then after that gently, just do it gently. After that I would open it up like so. Can you see how it looks? Can you see how it looks? Very beautiful. And then I'll go ahead and fold one side of my collar by 1/2 inch, and I'll take it to my iron and give it a very good press, like so. You can see what I'm doing. I'm folding it, but I'll give it a good press so that it will stay like that. And then I would pick up my shirt and pin the other side that is not pressed down to one side of my collar. That's the front part of my shirt. And then while the other side, that's the back side of my shirt, will be the part that I would use, that I would sew down the pressed side to. So that is how I'm going to attach my collar to my shirt. So guys, after pinning, and I'm beginning to sew like so. So guys, just do it gently, do it at your own pace, don't rush, so that you get a very neat finishing. As you sew, you take out the pins like so. So guys, after doing that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to turn the other side that's remaining. That's the part I folded. Remember, I folded 1/2 inch earlier and give it a good press. So now I want to sew that part to the back of the shirt. You can see I've sewn the front part of my shirt. Now I'm sewing the back part of my shirt, so I'm pinning it carefully down so you can see what I'm doing. At least you can now see the side that I'm pinning towards. So after pulling it carefully, making sure they are aligned, I would then go to my sewing machine again and sew it gently and neatly. I'll top stitch it gently. So guys, while I was working, NEPA took light, so I had to switch to my manual machine. So sorry for that. But guys, I'm actually done with my collar. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to top stitch it all the way around at this, from the side to the top and to the other side, so that it lays very, very flat. And so guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful videos like this. Thank you so very much for watching to the end. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.